If you've become the beneficiary of an IRA or other retirement account, it's important to know your options. You can take the money out in one lump sum. This requires opening an account called an Inherited IRA in your name for correct IRS reporting. That lump sum may be taxable depending on whether the original contributions were pre- or post-tax. Or you can open an Inherited IRA and leave it alone to grow tax-deferred. You can't make additional contributions and must start taking required minimum distributions based on when the deceased would have turned 72. You must also liquidate the account in 10 years. With this option, you can name your own beneficiary to pass it on. If your spouse left you the account, you're allowed to roll those assets into your own retirement account and follow your account's distribution rules. You could also disclaim the account or not accept it. The assets can then pass on to alternate beneficiaries. If you disclaim, it must be done before taking possession of the account and within 9 months of the original owner's death. To learn more about what to do with an inherited retirement account, please give us a call today.